Tapos, anong ginawa niya sa set? Kasama yan, di ba?
Napapraning-praning.
Diba?
Kaya nga hiwalay ako.
Anybody ever use this area?
Yeah, sometimes.
I
Once a
doubt.
year.
Oh, once a year.
Miss ko na pumunta sa Paris.
Yaman mo
Tagarunga.
talaga. Ikaw talaga ang nagpasikat ng Dougie. Sample na. Good morning! Happy Tuesday mga kapamilya! Isang bagong araw, bagong kwentuhan, bagong karanasan. Ako po si Chris Aquino and you're watching Chris TV. Good morning! Okay, jet lag is kicking in. I was awake 4:30 in the morning. Nakakaloka. At si EJ naman kumaka-react. Oh my gosh. Yes. I was... congratulations muna. You know, 5:55 screening sa power plant sa Rockwell. 12 of us, kasama ko si Joshi, si Yaya A, Vice Ganda, Raymond Gutierrez. We all watched A Mother Story. Pokey, congratulations. It was really a performance worthy of a Best Actress trophy. Kasi parang yung story umikot talaga sa buhay niya, sa pinagdaanan niya. And she did it with such passion and credibility. Please do try to watch A Mother Story. Showing na siya nationwide. And of course, in more than 90 theaters pa rin ang Segunda Mano. Watch na, sige na. Kasi pagising ko, actually, wala pa. Pero nung mga 8 in the morning, nung papunta ako dito, kasi as a co-producer, may updates ako dun sa mga receipts namin. So, we've reached the 130 million peso mark. Thank you. Thank you so much, God. Okay, eto from Ferdy Ray 32. Congratulations po sa inyong gandang gabi Vice guesting nung Sunday. Bongga ka, Miss Chris, at trending pa. Nakakaaliw ka. Yeah. Nasabi rin sa akin ni Vice. Nasabi niya, thanks kasi sabi niya sa akin, sobrang kaba daw siya na mag-live siya for the very first time. Pero buhay na buhay. And sinabi ko, syempre kasi, yung manager naming dalawa na si Deo and Rinal told us both na si Vice daw, kaya akong ibarubal, kaya akong pagtawanan, kaya akong pagtripan na hindi ko minamasama at hindi ako mukhang napipikon kasi alam na alam ko daw na mahal niya ako at mahal ko rin siya. Kaya maganda daw yung chemistry. So it's true. I love you, Vice. Tapos kagabi, nag-dinner pa kami together. My God. Naku, sabihin na naman ni Vice, kinuwento mo na naman ang buhay ko. Kasi kumain siya, hungry siya. So nung pinakain ko siya, kasi hindi ako nag-rice, hindi nag-rice si Josh. So almost 3 cups of rice ang kinain ni Vice. I swear, talaga. Kasi nag-adobo, nagkare-kare, naglapu-lapu. Tapos yung si Angelica Panganiban kasi tinuruan ako how to make sobrang sarap New Zealand mussels. Pero instead of using clams, yun ang ginamit para sa parang sabaw na halaan. Ay, ang sarap-sarap. So, pati yun kinain ni Vice. Ang saya. Okay, so, yun na naman. From the hindi siya naliligo sa gabi, ngayon naman, 3 cups ng rice ang kinain niya. Okay. From Teen Win 00, hi po, Miss Chris. Sa panonood ko ng show nyo, tuwing umaga po, tumataas lagi energy ko. Sana mapasa inyo po ang inyong mga fans ng mas matagal, more power po. That's why magwe-wellness ako para may energy ako para sa inyong lahat. And sinama ko na si Jasmine na bagong panganak at si Darla na nilalabanan ng cancer. Kaya lahat kami magwe-well. Ba't kayo natatawa? Buti nga, di ba buhay pa siya? No, di ba? I mean, it's a blessing from God that Darla is alive. So isasama ko siya. Direct ko naman si Darla para, ayan na si Darla, para kasama siya sa amin ni Go to Boracay this Thursday. And hinahanda ko na kasi sa day 1, ang bala ko talaga, ang goal is 7 kilometers of walking and trekking and all. Tapos sa day 2, 10 kilometers. Tapos in day 3, 5 kilometers na lang kasi babalik na tayo because I have to be there for the Walang Hanggan special premiere. Anong oras, EJ? 7 p.m. in Mega Mall. Cinema 6 of Mega Mall. Nandun ako kasama ni Lucy and also, yun, see you there. Okay, anyway, love they say is best told through songs. Totoo yan, I so agree. Kaya nga ang playlist ko ngayon, puro Kelly Clarkson. Natawa ako bigla kasi Kasi yung song niya, di ba, na stronger, na parang I'm better off alone. Parang gano'n ang yun ang mindset ko, hayaan nyo na po. Pero ito ngayon kasi, ang mga kwento ng pag-ibig nila, nabuo talaga sa mga kanta. So, yung unang kwento ng pag-ibig, okay, pinangako nila talaga na magmamahalan sila ng walang hanggan. And it's truly amazing because 28 years na silang together. Inspiring. Please welcome Gary Valenciano and Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano. Good morning! Parang, you seem so... Ang mukha ni Angeli, ano bang ginagawa ko dito? Why?
Super.
What? No, because ang ganda-ganda ng story ninyo.
Good morning, Chris.
Good morning. 28 years, tama?
28 years.
Diba? I mean, hello. That's 4 na 7-year itches.
4 lang ba?
Yes!
I've been-
Diba?
I've been-
4 times yung nalagpasan yun. So, nakaka-amaze talaga. And when I was reading the research, wala pa bang tutugtog? Kasi, Angelica na, sorry. Inapura ko siya. Hindi, kasi, it's so touching. Kasi, di ba, sometimes talaga, ang Christmas gift or a birthday gift, it's not really the value. It's not how much was spent, but the thought and the love put into it. At nung nabasa ko dun sa research na niregaluhan ka niya, nang nag-record siya ng lahat ng favorite love songs mo, swerte mo naman, Angeli.
Sobrang nakaka-touch kasi he kept staying in the studio. Tapos syempre, umiinit ng ulo ko. Nasabi ko, tagal-tagal naman niya sa studio. Magka-Christmas niya. Christmas Eve na, nasa studio pa rin siya. 4:00 siya natulog.
Nung pala, puros para sa yung songs.
pala
Okay,
lahat songs.
so Gary, magsasample ka ngayon
Yes.
of those songs. No, bago yung Walang Hanggan. Kasi sobrang favorite ko kaya yung She's Out of My Life. It's there.
Oh, yeah,
That
that's
was one
one
of
of
the songs. Why did you like that, Angeli?
Kasi I'm a
It's
fan.
so sad.
No, kasi si Michael Jackson, kasi syempre,
Correct.
at first you don't think of the lyrics. It's just really, the music was so beautiful.
Oh,
So
talaga, I'm catching Gary off guard dahil papakanta ko ng a little bit of that. Kontehan siya ng
kinanta nga nila ni AJ Rafael to yung YouTube sensation.
This one.
She's out of my life. She's out of my life. And I don't know whether to laugh or cry. And I don't know whether to live or die. And it cuts like a knife. She's out of my life.
second song, nabaliw ako kasi parang halos lahat talaga ng in a relationship na on and off yung relationship na they're still trying to make it work. Just Once ang kanta and it was also there. Why did you like Just Once?
Kasi he told me na yun yung audition piece niya sa Kundirana. Doon siya tinanggap ng Kundirana. And
Oh
I
my
really
God.
just love the song.
Okay, go Gary.
Ah,
Just
sige.
Once.
Subok.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to find through it just once.
Oh,
This is
kaya
biglaan
naman
to,
pala
ah.
28 years na kayong kasal. Diyos ko. Ito yung last. Kasi ito, alam ng staff, alam ng lahat. It's my all-time favorite Barry Manilow song, Somewhere Down the Road. Pero we all know that Angeli can also sing, so dapat i-duet ninyo. Yes! This is it! No, and yung kasi tinatanong ako, anong gusto kong song for GGV? And that was there, we ran out of time lang. Tapos kinukulit ako ng staff ko, bakit yun? Sabi ko, wala na kayong pake. Hayaan nyo na. Let it be na may konti naman ako sikreto. You sing, Angeli, sing with him,
I'll try.
Okay,
Don't know if it's
here we go.
okay.
Somewhere down the road.
What's those lyrics? We. Sorry, how low? We had a right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. But I had you for a long time.
Oh!
Those dreams of yours knocking on distant shores.
And if they're calling
And if they're calling you away,
I have no right to make you stay.
but I'll stay.
Oh!
'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when.
Somewhere down the road, I know that hearts of yours will come to see. I don't know the lyrics.
That you belong
With me.
At, oo, kasi kung bigla naman ako umiyak dito, lahat kayo, kung ano nang iisipin nyo, so dead man na, okay? Kaya magpo-pause ako for a commercial. When we come back, you're gonna sing Walang Hanggan.
Yes, I'll do that.
Sa
I'd love to.
pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV.
Stevie.